Hello everyone, welcome to Peacock Way. Today we'll be doing this fun project. I'm using this mixed media paper. Then I'm going to use this uh, distress mica stain, a harvest moon and dilutions shimmer spray, tangerine dream. And I'm going to shake it well and then I'm going to spray it. Then I'm going to use that other dilution spray and then I'm going to spray some water. Then I'm going to heat it because I like the texture like that, so I'm going to dry that. I don't want to blend it or make it um, like a too watery. So now I'm going to use this stamp. It is like a botanical stamp. So I'm going to find this and then I'm going to put it in the description box below. And I'm using archival link. I'm going to stamp this. So because the background is nice and bright, I wanted very dark kind of a stamp, but I can use my black pen and darken it. But right now it is fine. Then I'm using different stamps. These are like a texture stamp. These are like small circle stamp. Now I'm using this number stamp. I'm going to add in different areas. So this is a nice size for the background. So now I'm going to dry this before I go for the next step. So now I'm using this molding paste and this stencil for the background. Then I'm going to add in different areas. So I'm going to let it dry. Yeah, I think now it's all dry. Now I'm adding little more stamp. It's like a grungy stamp. Then I'm going to dry this. Now I'm going to use this black acrylic ink, and I'm going to splatter. Think I need more water and paint. So I did splatter a little bit, and then now I'm using this dye. I'm cutting it. I used like a black cardstock, and now I'm going to cutting into pieces, and I'm going to add this in different areas. Then I'm going to use this boy as a focal point. So I'm going to first place it and see how I want it. So now I'm using the glue, and I'm going to stick it in the background. Then now I'm going to add this as the focal point, the small boy. It has a sticky thing, but I still like to put glue because sometimes with the heat it comes out, so it's better to have a glue and be there permanently. Then I'm going to use black pen and scribble a little bit. Now I'm going to add this coat and then finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. So, if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.